In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access CapCut Space. If you collaborate with others or want your projects organized in the cloud, CapCut Space is where that happens. It's the area designed for shared work, projects, media, brand assets, and edits that live online so your team can access them from anywhere. I'll walk you through how to get there, along with a few helpful tips so you can find it quickly every time. Start by opening CapCut, either in your web browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account that has access to your team or workspace. A good connection and the latest version of the app help avoid loading delays, especially if you're working with large media files. If you're on a smaller screen, consider maximizing the window so all navigation labels are visible. Once CapCut is open, look toward the left side of your screen. This left panel is the main navigation area. You'll typically see items like Home, Projects, and other tools. This column is your map for moving around in CapCut, and it's where the Spaces option lives. If you only see icons, hover over them, or expand the sidebar so the names appear. This makes it easier to spot exactly what you're looking for. Now click Spaces in that left panel. This takes you into the Space view, which is dedicated to collaborative work. Here you'll see any spaces you're part of, along with folders, projects, and shared media. If your account belongs to more than one team, you may see a selector or list to switch between spaces. Inside a space, everything you upload and edit is saved to that shared location, which helps keep version control tidy and avoid sending files back and forth. It's also where permissions apply, so teammates only see what they're meant to see. If you don't immediately see spaces in the sidebar, try a few quick checks. Confirm you're logged into the right account. Widen the app window so hidden labels appear, and wait a moment for the sidebar to load if your internet is busy. Updating the app can bring back missing interface items, and if your organization manages your access, you might need the right permissions to view a space. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, head to the left panel, and click Spaces. Once you're in, you're ready to organize projects, invite collaborators, and keep your work synced across devices. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating inside your CapCut space.